The Airforce of Zimbabwe has warned the public against buying residential stands at the Hatfield Golf Course, declaring it is a military camp and vowing to prosecute anyone involved in selling or purchasing the land, just days after residents opposed plans to convert the recreational space into housing. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ino achibva kune the Airforce of Zimbabwe ndopa subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mobile information. The warning comes just days after Harare residents formally objected to a government notice proposing the conversion of the golf course into 17 low-density residential stands. In a statement released on Monday, AFZ clarified that it remains the lawful owner of the property on behalf of the state. The Air Force emphasized that it has no plans to change the reservation of the land from a golf course to residential use. The Air Force of Zimbabwe noted that its ownership was entrenched through the gazetting of the land as a cantonment area in terms of Section 89 of the Defense Act. According to Statutory Instrument 28 of 2026, the Hatfield Golf Course is officially designated as a military camp. The Air Force also objected to any proposed change to reservation for the property. It warned that anyone involved in selling or purchasing stands on the land would face prosecution. The dispute was triggered by a notice from the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works under Section 49(4) of the Regional Town and Country Planning Act. The notice indicated the government's intention to consent to a change of reservation for a remaining event of Lot 227 Hatfield Township, which is currently zoned for use as a golf course under the Operative Waterforce Hatfield Local Development Plan number 6. The developments are panguva ino. Comment section videos of any more to deep on the issue. So subscribe, like, and hit on the bell icon.